Good morning, fourth grade friends. Today I wanted to introduce to you Miss Cam. Cam is really cool. I don't know if you can tell, she's got some black back here on her tail feathers, which is really, really pretty. And then she's got this brown color, and then she's got some black tips here as well on her feathers. She is what we would call a Rhode Island red chicken, but she's not the full-size Rhode Island red. She would be a bantam breed, which means that she's kind of the miniature version. Cam was a show chicken last year for Cameron Pfister, who is a great friend of ours, and he did very, very well with Cam as his show chicken. But this year he decided to do something else, and he gave us Cam to work with over the winter. Cam is really cool because she is just the mothering of mothering birds. There's another little bird that we have, Rose, that likes to curl up underneath Cam's wings here and stay warm. You know that Cam is a brooding mom because if you can see her chest feathers here, they're kind of all a little funky, right? That's because she keeps thinking that she's brooding eggs, and she's really not. It's just the other tiny little bird that we have in our coop. Cam is going to listen as we read our devotional today, and I hope that you'll enjoy it as well. It is Indescribable by Louis Giglio, and today we're going to take a look at treasures that last. All right, here we go, Cam. Don't store treasures for yourself here on earth. Store your treasures in heaven. Matthew 6:19-20. It's so easy to look at our world and think, wow, this place is huge. And compared to our size, the earth is huge. But compared to the rest of the universe, well, it's not so big after all. Here are some facts for you. Imagine our entire solar system, that's the Earth, the Sun, the Moon, and the other 7 planets and their moons, were the size of a quarter. That would make the Earth a microscopic speck of dust. The nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would be another quarter. That's 2 soccer fields away. If you were to compare our solar system to the entire Milky Way galaxy, it would be like putting a quarter on the United States. And that's compared to just one galaxy. Scientists think that there are billions and billions of other galaxies in the universe. With that perspective, Earth seems almost microscopic. And all those things we want, the newest gadget, the trendiest clothes, seem suddenly unimportant. That's because those things really are small compared to the vastness of God's universe. The treasures of the earth just don't last. There's a tractor going in the background. But there are things that do last. Even when compared to the vastness of the universe, they are still important. They are the heavenly treasures that come from knowing and following God. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. So the next time you find yourself worrying about earthly treasures, remember how small that stuff really is, and focus on heavenly treasures instead. Be amazed. The bigger the mirror of a telescope, the farther we can see. The biggest ground telescope is the Gran Telescopo Carnarius in the Canary Islands, with a mere surface of 34 feet. It recently spotted a halo of stars 500 million light years away. The Hubble Space Telescope can see even farther because it's out in space. It has a 7-foot, 10.5-inch mirror and has photographed galaxies billions of light years away. Here's the telescope. Can you see that? Pretty cool. All right, here is our prayer today. God, when I get caught up in wanting more and more stuff, remind me of what's really important and what will last forever. Help me focus on getting rich in the heavenly treasures that come from following you. Well, guys, we have more chores to get to today. As you can tell, the tractor's already going, and we've got lots of fun stuff planned. I hope you enjoy your day online, and I will see you tomorrow.